Hey, Alex here with Terex. Today I want to show you guys how to install the charge groove. So when you receive your charge groove, you will receive it disassembled. So you will have 4 large pieces, 1 smaller piece in this bag, and then 4 screws and a hex key. So installing your charge groove can be a little bit tricky. I'm going to show you guys the easiest way how to install it, and like I said, depending on your guys' dashboard, the tolerances, if it's being installed when the weather is cold or when it's hot, those are all factors. So some go in a little bit easier, some don't. So the easiest way is to install it disassembled. So make sure this is the middle piece of the charge groove. Okay, so we are taking now, what you want to do is you want to install this front lip, needs to sit in first. It is crucial that this edge right here is sitting in this gap. So sometimes those gaps are tight, so that's why we are giving you this little shim. So what you want to do is you want to stick the shim in here and open this gap up, okay? And then you want to bring your piece and set it in. You hear it click, so it's in there now. Take this shim back out and slide it over until you hit this, and now you're in. The second one should go easier again because you opened this gap up now. So just push this in, and there it is. There you receive 4 screws. You have 2 long screws and 2 short screws. So for the center piece you need the 2 long screws. So now you set your center piece in right here, and you start putting this screw in here. Alright, here we go. Okay. Ow. So after you have the center pieces installed, now let's do the side wing. Same concept, you just basically lay your side wing in, take your hex key with a short screw, okay, and start screwing this on. Make sure you don't scratch your dashboard right here. Nice and snug. Okay. Now we'll repeat the second side. So after you have your second wing installed, then you're basically all done.